Well, if you are looking for India's next big growth story, it's flowing right into your homes. Wait, water. It is the next big thing. 8.69 lakh crores, that's how much India is investing in the Jal Jeevan mission to bring tap water to every rural household by 2028. Now, over 15 crore households already have tap water, but 3.6 crore homes are still waiting. And not just any water, the mission is to provide safe, clean, drinkable water straight to homes. And here is how we think the mission spending has been structured across different segments. EPC and construction about 60 to 65% for building and finishing the main water infrastructure. Pipes, the backbone network to carry water about 20 to 25%. Pumps for moving water from sources to homes about 10 to 12%. Operations and management for cleaning water and running the system daily about 5 to 8%, and the remaining is for the technology. Now, most of the spending so far has gone into EPC and construction with very small portions for O&M. But now as the infrastructure nears completion, the real work begins. Getting the tap water was just the first step, but delivering drinkable, safe water every single day is a new challenge. And for this, the system needs water to be treated and cleaned every single day. Pressure to be maintained so water reaches every home. Leaks to be fixed quickly and supply to be monitored constantly. And that's why O&M is going to see the fastest growth going forward. A few companies are already active here. Take VATech Vabag for example. They design, build and operate water and sewage treatment plants including desalination. And also they're not only just focused on India, they're operating in 25 plus countries. And also they have an order book of 16,000 crore, which is roughly 4 to 5 times their current annual revenue, giving very strong visibility for their future work. Then there is Ion Exchange India. They focus on purifying water for industries and cities. So whether it's a pharma plant, power plant or municipal supply, they provide system, chemicals and services needed to make water usable. And most importantly, they don't just install system and leave. They maintain and service them over time, which creates a steady and a recurring business. But there could definitely be other companies to watch. The point of today's discussion is very simple. You study this segment, think carefully and tap the right opportunities before it becomes the next big thing.